Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
I think so. We've come in like a big group. We've come in from Porori, Taligaon. We've come in together right from Chandar protest and even here in ROC because we believe that we don't need the double tracking and we don't need the other two projects also. So we are constantly betting. If you can see, we have this t-shirts of the same model that we constantly wear. We're constantly making awareness. We have to keep our egos aside. We have to come united. We have to be our biggest strength if we are doing protests like this. And all group leaders should come together and have meetings together.
हे आमच्या होल ऑफ गोवान हांगा एकठांय जावपाक जाय. आमी अशें चिंतूंक करना की आरोशीकूच हें वायट पडटलें. हे कोल डबल ट्रॅकिंग जे आहा आयज हांव कालांगुटसान येयला. जोरी तर हे हांगासर चालू जालें म्हाज्या कालांगुटाक पासून हेचो एफेक्ट जातलो.
It is because everybody knows very well how bad the coal is and how bad the pollution is. And with the burning of fuel of the coal, we also are damaging our environment, that is the ecosystem and also the atmosphere. So with that, the Goan people know it very well. Why doesn't the ministers and the politicians know it?
काणकोणसान येयला. आमगे गोंय सारबार करपा हे कोळशे आनी डबल ट्रॅकिंगा लागून.
कोण एंटी नॅशनल जाता, कोण क्रिमिनल जाता, हे पुलीस कोणाचे वटेन आसात हो प्रश्न सगळ्यांचे मनात आसा. अशे 2-3 कंपनीजा लागून जो सरकार आमचेर हे अत्याचार करूंक सोदता, हे एक भशेन क्रिमिनल आसात, एक भशेन एंटी नॅशनल आसात आनी जशे ब्रिटीश रूल चालू आसलो तेच भशेन हो रूल हे चालू दवरूंक सोदतात.
आमी गोंयकारांच्या वांगडा जर रावना जाल्यार आमी कसलेच मनीस न्हू मरे. आमी गोंयकारां पासून रावपाक जाय मरे.
डबल ट्रॅकिंग आसा, कोल आसा, मोल्या येदो व्हडलो तो इलेक्ट्रीक प्रोजेक्ट आसा. हे सगळे म्हणल्यार एक गोंयचेर आमच्या व्हडल्या गव्हर्मेंटान BJP गव्हर्मेंटान संकश्ट हाडून सोडलेले आसा.
Police has asked us to move off from this place.
What else?
And they said they would do lathi charge if we don't. We are ready for it.